Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bloom in Roblox Studio. Bloom is a powerful visual effect that adds a beautiful glow to bright areas of your game, significantly enhancing its atmosphere. It helps create more immersive and visually appealing environments. We will cover enabling it, adjusting its settings, and best practices for stunning results. To begin, open your Roblox Studio project. In the Explorer window, locate the Lighting service. Right-click on Lighting and select Insert Object, then search for and add Bloom. Once added, you will see its properties appear in the Properties window, ready for your adjustments. This simple step activates the effect. Let's explore the key properties. Intensity dictates how bright the glow appears, typically ranging from 0 to 1. Size controls the spread or radius of the bloom, often between 0 and 24. Threshold defines the minimum brightness an object needs to emit a glow, usually from 0 to 1. Experiment with these values to achieve your desired look. For best results, use Bloom thoughtfully. Overuse can make your game appear washed out or overly bright. Consider combining Bloom with other post-processing effects, such as color correction or depth of field, to create a more cohesive and professional visual style. Always test your settings across various lighting conditions to ensure consistent quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.